sending a video. What is a way to do a simple send with the Dubb platform? Let's take a look at that now. So when you have a video saved inside the Dubb platform, like we do right here, how would we send something like this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to click the big blue share and send button. Put in the email of the person you're sending it to get that activity level tracking. And then we're just going to copy it. Copy for email. Boom. We're going to click this here. It's going to open up a compose, which we're going to have inside of our email here. And best practice here when you're sending it by email, definitely have the word video. First thing that someone sees inside there, we're going to see it. It makes a difference. Think how many times you see the word video in a subject line. It is very rare that you do see that. Then you have the subject line here. Whoops, I just moved that there. That's okay. Then in your subject line, remember we talked about the hook. You want to have your hook in here and then it's all ready to go. Then you want a little bit of text in here and then you want to drop the video in. So we copied it. Now all we have to do is paste it. So inside of here, boom, we're going to drop the video in and there we go. And someone will see that nice animated preview. Now, if you do have Gmail or Outlook 365, you're going to notice there's a little shortcut right down here at the bottom in Gmail. See the little Dubb button right there? That's the integration we have with Gmail. And Outlook 365, it'll be off to the right in add-ins. But the whole point of having that little Dubb button there is that when you click on it, right? We looked at the Dubb Chrome extension earlier. Here, let me refresh this. It's going to give you the shortcut ability. So when you do select this button here, it's going to open up the Chrome here. And now what I can do is I can record a video right now, right here from inside the email and pop it right in here if I want to do that. I also can scroll right over here to the right, scroll through here, find a video that I want, click insert, and it's going to pop it in just like that, and I'm able to send. So you have a nice shortcut if you have Gmail or Outlook 365 right within there. Now, the last part of sending that you can do is on LinkedIn. So when you are on LinkedIn, make sure you are connected to a person. You're a first connection. Now, once you're a first connection, then all I have to do is click message here, and we are able to send a video, and it's going to be a nice animated preview that happens. Now, a lot of reaching out on LinkedIn is text-based. So when you do send a video and they see that nice animated preview, you're going to be able to do that. We're able to do that because of, again, the integration that we have right here. See the little Dubb symbol right there? We click that there, opens up. We're able to find our video right over here to the right. We click insert, pops it in there, and then when it's sent, Ruben's going to see that nice animated preview, and that makes a really big difference in terms of getting someone to want to click. So that's how we do our sending from inside the platform, and those are the options in terms of editing as well.
Hey, it's Darius, the co-founder of Dubb. Thank you so much for checking out this video. To get more trainings just like this, subscribe to this channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're happy to help. See you in the next one.